which was another 1,000. So we're talking 3,500 now. The next payment,
remember if it's
was the car, which was the original amount he asked me for, which was 8,000, and then that car sold, and then there was another 3,000. So that was 11,000. So you add that together. That's 3.5 and 11. What's that? And I've got the proof for that because I paid him all of that via PayPal.
Like 14 and a half. You said 3.5 and 11.
And that's just cash payments. We ain't even gone on to the shooting yet. Because you would think if somebody gave you that amount of money, they wouldn't continue pressurizing you to shoot for you on top of that. So on top of, and Abel was just, you know, on me every day. I'm going live. I'm going live. I'm going live. I'm going live. I've got a hot match today. I need you to shoot. Shoot big. You're going to have to charge up big. I want 500K coins. And I've got all text messages.
All right. Number 5.
I want him to deny everything that Abel denies. I will put it up on my page. I'm not going to let him get away with the lies.
All right. Lady Louise.
Come on, man.
All right, Lady Louise, listen. It's late, and I know it's past your bedtime. I said I have 19 questions. I'm only at number 5. Now, number 6. Did you know, regardless, you're the one who shoot your money on TikTok for him? Did you know? Wait. Did you know? What I want to say here? Did you know? Regardless, you're the one who shoots your money. All right, forget that. How many times you sent Abel money on PayPal?
I think, have I counted out 6 times? 5, 6 times? I've given you the total. So, and I broke it down. 1,000 for a hotel the first time he went to America, and then the 1,500 loan that he had taken, that he claimed that he had borrowed from Bloomsbury, and Bloomsbury was pressure.